What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Cartridge Blast Gamers, and this is Space Engineers. I'm back in the Let's Build. Left you off with the project half done up here, and yeah, I actually had to build that monstrosity behind me. So what happened was I ran out of resources, and I had to land the ship up here. Why is it crooked? That's weird. Anyway, I built a docking station so that these two stations on either side can be docking stations for resources, and then these two on this side can be build stations for ships and other projects. Don't have a lot. I'm trying to empty this cargo container. This small cargo container is actually the one in the building, and that's going to be eliminated completely. And yeah, I've got a lot of stuff happening down below. As you can see, lots of stuff has been hooked up. Large cargo containers have been built, hydrogen tanks have been built, and yeah, this should be a really good thing. So what I'm going to do is show you guys the progress that I have done. Basically, it's a lot of work that we've done down in the hole. Mostly just me messing around. What I was trying to do is create a system where it would automatically siphon and filter out components. So I had to basically rip this apart, and I've created a junction. So what does that mean? It means that I'm going to be able to pull from the main area, but at the same time I have this overflow for ore and stuff like that, right? So ore is going to be sent through here, but I've also set this up cleverly. Anyway, this this is blacklisted, so components, hand tools, and ammo won't be pulled through this system. However, it's on drain all, so anything that's not that thing is going to be pulled through here. So that means I've got free reign for components and tools to go right through here like a straight line. If you can imagine this being like a gate where it just goes, okay, this can go in but this can't, blah blah blah. It'll go through here and then end up coming down the other side. So on down here I actually have another filter set up to whitelist for ammo, components, and hand tools. So basically anything that the assembler creates, it'll automatically build it. Well, it won't automatically build it. We'll ask it to build it, and it'll automatically pull it through that system and into this cargo container. And then I have, I mean, the storage is huge. If you ever, like, look at this, 4 million and change. It's unbelievable. So that means we have over 8 million units of volume to fill. And also at the same time, I created a junction before that filter, basically pulling from our oxygen generator. It's also our hydrogen generator to fill up our hydrogen tanks. Our hydrogen tanks here are not, I don't think I set them to autofill or anything like that. It's probably not on autofill. Hydrogen tank, yeah. Yeah, stockpile, I have that on off. So, but it's filled. It used the water or the frozen ice that I had, and basically filled it up a small percentage point. So what I think I'm gonna do is go on a little bit of a mining adventure, because I'm really low on a lot of stuff. Like I've noticed that I've killed my iron, you know, with this project. And I'm really low on a lot of stuff that I need to complete the rest of this project. So I might just go on a little mining adventure and, you know, get some of this stuff squared away. I'll get more iron plates made up to finish this, and then I'll paint it all nice and show you guys when I'm done. But in the meantime, I think what I'm going to do is go out and... yeah, I've got just the bare essentials. I think I'm just going to go out and get myself some of the good stuff. and explore a little bit, because there's a lot to explore that I've noticed. And also there's a lake down here. Yeah, a little bit of a lake down here. So what I'm gonna do is kind of just coast down to the lake and see what I can see. Oh yeah, we got some more minerals over here. I'm gonna see if I can find some titanium too, guys, and more uranium and all that good stuff, and see what's going on. So as I do my thing, I will bring you guys back if anything exciting happens, but for the most part, I'm going to be doing some resource gathering, and I'll catch you in a little bit. And we're back, guys. So, did a bit of resource gathering, but I want to show you. This platform is looking pretty sweet. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah. That's kind of awesome. So, yeah, I think that took me a good amount of time. Oh, I see that I messed up a little bit of the color scheme here. That's alright though. We could just crack on with that. That'll fix that. Yeah. Looks good. So, yeah, we got a lot of work done so far. I've got I meant to color this in yellow. Yeah, so anyway, I'm not even talking. Jeez. I'm distracted. Yeah, it's been a couple of hours. I did a lot of work. I did a lot of resource gathering, and you know, basically it's all been pretty much good to go as far as the platform goes. And right now I am looking at the base as it is, and it's looking pretty good. The other thing too I want to show you is that this guy, yeah, I can access all of my inventories throughout the system. So if I need computers, boom, computers. Or if I don't, I'll just throw them back up here. So it'll end up in this upper chest up here, which is fine, or container, sorry. And yeah, from there we just kind of build whatever we need to build. I think for my last thing that I want to do today, I mean, hasn't been a lot on camera, I'll be honest. This has just been a tremendous amount of work, putting all this together and gathering the resources. So it's been ridiculous. And I've been doing my best to stay in it, but I think I'm gonna I probably just need to take a break. Honestly, it's been a couple hours. So yeah, but so far it's looking pretty good. But I gotta do something. I gotta build a radio communication antenna, I think, and but I don't want to connect it to the main base. I want the antenna to kind of be its own base, but pretty close by, and have yeah, and just have that there, because I'm not sure where the AI is in this game. Like I know, well, that they should be around, but I don't know where they are, and that's kind of freaking me out a little bit. So I'm trying to determine. Oxygen generator, go. There's no ice. There's no ice. Wait. Can I fill it from here? Will you fill? What? I'm confused. I guess it doesn't fill from this. Which means I'm filling these tanks with all that ice that I had. Now I have no hydrogen. Crap. Alright, so I guess I did not understand how that works. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Well, I have to get more ice, I guess, to get some more hydrogen, but I don't think I'm gonna need it for this project. What I'll need for the project is radio communication components and all that good stuff. So, what do I have on me right now? Nothing. Okay. I gotta get some more supplies, and I will meet you guys out there to build a communication tower. Alright, guys. And we're back. And I've got a tower. But I'm gonna need to hook up some power to it and make it do a thing. So, in order for me to do that, I gotta get a battery, and then I gotta get some solar panels going, and we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna probably put some kind of... Now with the battery I'll have a control interface, so I don't need that. Never mind, it should be okay. So yeah, I think I gotta get a power situation going on with that, and yeah, that looks pretty good. It was a toss-up between on top of the knoll over there or right here in the flat. And I kind of like the flat, because line of sight, we got it from the tower here, or the what you call it, construction area. But we also have, you know, our ability here to I don't know, basically see the tower. I'm worried about the AI thing happening. To be completely honest, I'm worried about the AI tracking us down using our antenna and trying to attack us like out of the blue, and that's not, I'm not sure if that's how it works or not, but in case it is, I got that over there on its own station with its own power source, and I'm gonna hook up a few defenses around here probably in another episode, just to make sure that we don't get blitzed and taken out. But I didn't see any other ships flying around, and I do have them turned on, so I wonder what's happening. I wonder if that's ever gonna really, you know, work, but who the hell knows. So yeah, let me get back to it, and I will get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, and we are back. As you can see, I've got an antenna constructed with battery and solar panels to boot. Check it out. This sucker is almost doing the full thing. Probably a couple more seconds and that sun will be in the right place to make the magic happen. I gotta see if this will work, because right now, let me just pop in here and see how this looks. Boop. And yeah, current input is Garbo. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe, let's see, does the output change? No, this thing is basically, and it's part of the thing, so yeah, maybe this isn't sufficient. Maybe we need more solar panels. I'll have to play around with this. I'm not exactly sure. It's like, I don't know, is it 3 solar panels for 1 battery to get optimal charge? Or what? Is there a ratio or some kind of formula to follow? I don't know. Leave a comment in the comments down there, guys. Let me know if you know how this all works. I'm not really sure if it's 2 or 3 or 4 or what. Excuse me, to make this actually a viable option. I don't want to hook up a reactor to it. That's kind of like dumb. I'm just, you know, this is just going to be like, this is a model. Let's put it this way. This is a model for a relay station that I want to use throughout the world. Like, so, for instance, I want to put the relay station on that mountain way out there. And I want to put another relay way out there. I mean, basically, this thing goes 5,000, is it 5,000 meters? Or some crazy number like that. Yeah, 5,000 meters, enable broadcasting, blah, blah, blah. I mean, what I could do for right now, or is that 50,000? That's 50,000. Yeah, so 50,000 is a lot of meters. So what happens if I just break this down to, let's do 5,000. Yeah, ish. For now, is the power output change? Oh, yeah. What happens if I just go up to 10,000? 10,000-ish. Oh, yeah, that's almost nothing. I just want to get the maximum distance. I want to have, like, if anybody gets close, I want to be able to see them. So, alright, that's 80 kilowatts. Oh, I didn't have to cut out of there. And the battery now, here we go. So now the battery, the current output is 80.79 kilowatts, but the input is 103.05 kilowatts. So, in other words, this thing should continuously charge all the time. Trouble is, nighttime is going to drain it down, pretty much gone. So I think for now, until the battery is strong enough to handle it, I'll leave this around 10,000. I mean, that should be sufficient. Oh yeah, so okay, we're more than double, so that makes sense. Okay, great. So the battery will be okay. Oh yeah, these things are ready to go. So I can't do a full broadcasting yet, but I've got enough broadcasting going on where I can relay off of this tower and use drones if I need to, and it will give me a significant heads up if something crazy is coming towards the base. So, you know, that's 100 meters or so to the antenna, to the base. So you think 100 meters more plus, yeah, I mean, it probably goes all the way past like my iron ore, I think, is the furthest one, or the ice, which would be good. So yeah, I think this is going to work out. This is going to be a good thing for us. So yeah, I think that's it for now, guys. It's been a little bit of a shorter episode this time. Sorry for all the talking and stuff. I wanted to make sure we get everything squared away. As I said before, guys, if you liked it, please leave a thumbs up, and if you really loved it, please do subscribe. If there's anything that we want us to do differently, please let us know in the comments. Thumbs downs don't really help us. Constructive criticism in the comments do. We want to give you the best product possible, and we'd love to hear from you. So, my name's Chris from Cartridge Blast Gamers. This has been Space Engineers, and we'll catch you next time.